welcome to a brand new episode of Super Shopper. I'm Shruti Sharma and today's half an hour is a treat for everyone who enjoys their cup of tea. Because over the next half an hour, I'll take you to 3 stores in this city which provide exclusive tea and serve it in style. And the first store in fact I've come to is known as Premier's. It's right next to Birla Mandir in Connaught Place, and I'm going to go inside and show you exactly what it is that they have to offer. Premier's has been exporting world-class tea to the world for several years, and in fact their store in Gold Market has been around for 4 to 5 years, but the store that I'm in right now is right next to Birla Mandir and has been around for close to a year. And the thing I really like about the store is the kind of variety that they have on offer. In fact, I'm told that in this store itself they have over 70 varieties of tea, and not just the variety in terms of the flavors but also in terms of packaging. Now all the packaging that you see here is done in-house, and that's why the quality is controlled to a great extent. And you can see this simple boxes like this of Nilgiri tea or Earl Grey tea that you could come and pick up. Now these have 12 silver magic tea wands that you can pick up, close to about 90 grams, and will cost you 625 rupees. Besides this, if you're looking for something slightly more fancy to give even as a gift to someone, you could pick up boxes like this. Now this is simple Darjeeling tea, as you can see, in a beautiful wooden box. They've given you exactly how it is that you can prepare this at home. Now something like this, which is about 250 grams, will cost you 1125 rupees. Besides this, of course, they have these smaller wooden boxes of English breakfast and Nilgiri tea that you can pick up. Again, the work on this is really nice. The boxes just look adorable, and each of these 100-gram boxes will cost you 425 rupees. Now the thing I really like about this store is the variety they have in terms of the flavor, like raspberry and fruit punch. Now flavors like this are not easily available in many places in Delhi, and over here you can see they have these beautiful 100-gram packs, and in fact you could pick up a bunch of them and gift it to someone, and each of these are going to cost you 435 rupees. Besides this, if you are looking to give tea to someone and it really makes for a really good gift, you could come and pick up really smart wooden boxes they have here. Now this one you can see has the Premier's logo right on top. That looks really nice. It's a beautiful wooden box, and once you open it, you have 6 different varieties of tea, and you can see the tea bags are packaged beautifully inside this. Again, the packaging is something I really like in this store, and a box like this will cost you upwards of 4,000 rupees. So as you can see, there's just a lot of variety to offer over here, and I'm not done showing you everything that Premier's has, because in a while I'm going to taste some of the tea that they have here. Well, we'll go back to Rishi and check the first look in a bit. Before we get to doing that though, I'm still enjoying the different flavors and smells of tea that are available right here at Premier's, which is next to Birla Mandir. It's a great place to come to if you're someone who enjoys their tea, because they have over 70 varieties available in the store. And in fact, you can see around me, they have some beautiful metal boxes that you can come and pick up. Again, I've been mentioning this again and again, but the great thing is that all the manufacturing of these boxes and all the packaging is done in their own factories, and that's why the quality is controlled, and this is something that could be great gift options. And if you want to pick up boxes like this, they're going to cost you close to about 595 rupees. Now right at the back is something that's really interesting about the store, which is if you come to the store and you want to pick up a box, you can just taste all the tea here first and then decide what it is that you want to pick up. Now here there's a whole variety of tea, and they in fact have chocolate tea here. Now I'm told that all the flavors that they use to infuse the tea leaves are natural flavors, and something like this smells absolutely divine. It smells like cocoa, and I'm going to find out इसको जब आप बनाते हैं तो किस तरह से बनाते हैं, tea leaves को कैसे use करते हैं?
You put some leaves,
Okay.
very hot boiling water,
Okay.
and wait for 3 minutes.
Okay.
After 3 minutes, then just push the button,
Okay.
and your tea will remain.
And your tea comes out like that. Okay, so it's boiling hot tea, but we can use this as iced tea as
Iced
well? How can we use this as iced tea? Just pour it on top of ice?
Yes, put some ice, put some sugar in this,
Okay.
and wait for time.
Okay. Well, she's told me exactly how it is that you make something like this. Now the tea that she's made right now is chocolate tea. Smells truly like cocoa. She's got a whole bunch of ice cubes here, and she's gonna
First you make hot tea, then
Yeah.
add some
ice.
in this.
Okay, and that's it. You've got iced tea ready.
Your
Oh,
iced
that's
tea will be
brilliant.
ready.
And we can taste any flavors before we pick it, right?
Any tea you can convert into iced tea.
Now that's brilliant, because if you come out to the store, just see the kind of varieties you can get to taste. There's passion fruit, there's pineapple, there's banana, there's vanilla, English breakfast. I'm going to, of course, enjoy my cup of chocolate tea while you guys, wait for a bit. I am going to show you more stores around this city. The great thing about Premier's is, besides the tea, they also have a whole range of art on offer if you want to pick that up. And I'm going to show you, of course, more of what exactly tea is about in Delhi.